Hello, I'm Celso, also known as Old Man Labor. I'm letting Republicans and Democrats be aware of Project 2025 and Agenda 47. Both sound exactly the same. The conservative playbook that will destroy America. It will take away rights from all people and reform the government like we've never seen it before, leaning more towards a fascist and government not for the people or by the people, but a government run by a more powerful executive. Read it, 900 pages of it, and also go to donaldjtrump.com and you will be alarmed no matter what party you're in.